You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 59, creating a service request through email by a user. Let's move ahead and perform this lab. To perform this lab, we need to log in as branch risk, as Bill Walsh. So if you see over here, I am already logged in as Bill Walsh. Let's click on Jira Service Management. And then we are going to get into space setting of NetSoft IT Service Management. Under channels, and see, it might be like this, unexpanded. So you need to click on this arrow next to channel and self-service, expand channels and self-service. Click on email, and under connected email, just note down the support ID. So this is support ID, okay? Let's copy paste it. So this is the support ID. Now, we need to send a mail to this support ID from host machine. That means from your laptop. So this is the mail that I am going to send from my host machine, that is from my laptop. I'm going to send this mail to support@netsoftakademy 0110@atlassian.net. This might be different for you. Okay, so just note down the support ID, paste it over here, and then click on send. So I have sent the mail. Now let's move ahead and perform the next task. In this task, we are going to use Bill Walsh login ID. We'll click on Jira Service Management. Now we are going to check whether the service request is generated or not. We'll click on NetSoft IT Service Management. Under service request, yes, we see over here new NIA is generated, new request is generated, NIA 13, laptop screen is broken. Click over here. We'll review all the details. Okay, emailed request. So this request is generated based on email. In this lab, we saw how to raise a request via email. So you are not contacting customer support. You are not going to help center. No one is raising it on behalf of you. The user is just sending a mail and the request is created. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.